Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share beginners friendly makeup kit under 600. So I have all the products that I've used today to create this makeup. Hope you all like it because I loved it. And if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. First product is Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. It comes with pencil on one end which you really need to sharpen if it goes blunt, and then you have the spoolie on other end. Now this pencil, I have been using it for ages and I don't invest much into high-end eyebrow pencil when it comes to makeup because this does a great job and it has a very good quality. It is not overly waxy, it's pigmented, you can do hair-like strokes if you want to, and it just covers your gaps if you have any. And if you have bushy eyebrows, then you do not have to do much with this eyebrow pencil, and that is why this is one product which is really under budget. I think it's under rupees 100 or 150 and it's easily available everywhere. Next is Root Cosmetics eyebrow mascara in the shade Cappuccino. Earlier they had 5 to 6 shades in this, but now I cannot see any more shades. It's only available in transparent, but I think transparent is also going to work for me if I don't find any other shade in this mascara, because this has been my favorite and I have been using it for ages because I love how beautiful the formulation is. It helps to keep my eyebrow hairs in place. It holds right there and it does not move even if there is wind or storm, and also it does not feel dry or tight when you apply it, and it has some fibers in it which gives you some coverage, and the pigmentation is also very good. I don't like the spoolie because it's too big and sometimes if you do not pay attention then it can go out of the sight. So for that reason the only con is the spoolie. Otherwise this is a brilliant product. Next product is Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. This is meant for normal to dry skin and also it is infused with vitamin E to give you prolonged moisturization. Earlier when I tried this primer, I never liked it, but when I started using it more and more, I just love how my makeup looked on top of this primer. It gives you a smooth skin to work on, and my foundation, my concealer just goes on smoothly and flawlessly on top of this primer. I never noticed any blurring effect or anything, but it gives you a very healthy glow to your face, which I absolutely love it. You also have a matte version in this, so if you are oily skin type you can try that. Provides me with good moisturization. This also has a fragrance which is nothing too overpowering and it just settles down within few minutes. Next is Faces Canada 3-in-1 Hydra Matte Foundation. This has moisturizer, sunscreen and foundation. It has SPF of 30, which is a great thing. Now I have been using this product for a year now and I absolutely love it. I have used it as a skin tint for my everyday or as a foundation, and it gives you a good medium coverage. You can totally build it up if you want to, and it does not make your face look cakey. It does not give you that patchy or streaky looking skin. And I am in the shade Warm Sand. I totally have an in-depth review of this foundation. I think I even did a wear test. It helps a lot to survive this hot and humid climate and it did an excellent job. It is a very long lasting foundation, you guys, and after some time it does make your skin look oily, but you can always blot those extra oil, powder your face ever so slightly and you are done. Next is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. This particular shade I use it as my corrector because this has a lot of orangish tint in it, so it does a wonderful job to cancel out any kind of blemishes on my skin, and also the coverage is really good. It gives you a medium to a full buildable coverage. I love how it makes my skin look. It does not give me any kind of patchiness, cakiness, and also it does not crease, which is a great thing. It's so affordable that all will love it. You have many other shades in this concealer and I think this is the best concealer in affordable range. Next one is again a concealer and it's from e.l.f. It is their hydrating camo concealer in the shade medium beige. I think it retails for rupees 650 or above, but during Nykaa sale you can get it at buy one get one or flat 20% off, whichever is feasible for you. And this concealer is one of my favorite because it's hydrating, lightweight, shade gives you a good coverage, does not crease on me, and it does not look streaky or patchy, and it does not lift my base whatsoever. This has been my favorite, and I think I'm going to repurchase it very soon because I have almost finished this concealer, so I'm scraping the last bit of it. I would highly recommend getting you this. Now, this one product I have been using for ages, and I just trust this product blindly. I'm talking about Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Touch Loose Powder. This is in the shade Translucent. It has a pinky tint to it, which is nowadays trending, but this does not add any color. But on the other hand, it gives you a smooth blurred skin, just like the Huda Beauty one, and I don't feel any heaviness or any cakiness, no dryness. It looks absolutely transparent, you guys. I have used it all over my face, under my eyes, and I always keep a backup of this powder. It retails for rupees 750 or above, but sometimes Rimmel goes on 50% off on Nykaa sale, so you can grab this powder, and it's one of my favorite. It feels hydrating. I haven't noticed any dryness, any stretchiness whatsoever. The outside climate is cloudy, you guys, so the lighting might change because I'm doing this video in a complete natural daylight in front of my window. So the next product is this eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Nude Addict, and it's one of my favorite because the eyeshadow quality is to die for. They are so smooth, buttery, glides on so easily. I haven't noticed any patchiness, any demarcation whatsoever, and each and every shade in this variant is hell pigmented. I think you get 4 variant in this, and I have 2 with me. I've already reviewed these on my channel. If you are interested, please check the link in the description. Also, I'll try and mention it here on the card section. Next is Mars I Belong in Your Purse Cheek Palette, and it comes with a bronzer, highlighter and blush. This is in the variant 03, and I was searching for this palette for a backup, but I could not find it anywhere. If Mars, you are watching this video, if you ever watch my video, please restock on this. It's one of my favorite. You can clearly see I've hit pan on this bronzer. I'm already hitting pan on this highlighter. This is the highlighter which I use it for my everyday, and this blush, oh my god, it's so pigmented. The bronzer has the right warmth to it, and I always use this bronzer to top up my cream bronzer. It's so beautiful. It's so buttery, glides smoothly. I have never noticed any patchiness or streakiness. My foundation or my base makeup does not lift with this, and it's one of my favorite. Also comes with a huge mirror which is so of good quality. If you see this in stock, please get it because the quality is top notch. Next one is my absolute favorite. I have been using this for ages, and I'm talking about the L18 Eye Drama Kajal in the shade Bold Black. This retails for somewhere around 90 or 99 rupees, but it has a high-end quality. It's absolutely sensitive eye friendly. It is ophthalmologically tested, and it is smudge proof, budge proof, waterproof, and gives you jet black kajal. Oh my god, I am a kohl lover. I'm a kajal lover, and that is why I always prefer my kajal to be very jet black, and it should be smudge proof because I have oily lash line, so I prefer something very smudge proof and budge proof, and it does not irritate my eyes in any way because I have a sensitive eyes. I wear lenses, I have watery eyes, and it does not irritate, burn my eyes in any ways. For 99 rupees, the quality that you get is to die for. Next product is Inside Cosmetics Cheek Tint Blush in the shade Watermelon Popsicle. I know the packaging is exact dupe to Etude House. I never tried the Etude House blush, but I think I don't need it because when I have this in my collection, I have been recommending and talking about this product in every video of mine because this is such a beautiful, high quality cheek tint. I was amazed when I used it for the first time, and I was even surprised when it lasted on my skin for 8 hours. The color is so beautiful that it shows on my brown skin with or without makeup, and it has a gel like consistency which is absolutely lightweight, blendable, no streakiness, no patchiness, no lifting my base makeup whatsoever. Plus this is under rupees 150. Yes, I would highly recommend this cheek tint to all of you. I think you have 2 more variants in this. Next product is my another favorite. It is Blue Heaven One Stroke Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. It has a brush tip applicator. I don't like the applicator because it's not very, even. It's little bit crooked, but it is jet black, matte, does not crumble, or it does not crack. That is the best thing about this eyeliner. Plus it's under budget. I think under 90 rupees you can get this eyeliner. Plus it's water resistant. I don't think it's waterproof, and I don't mind having a waterproof eyeliner in Blue Heaven. I just love it, you guys. I just love this. Next is Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This bestseller is so difficult to get your hands on because when it gets in stock, it just goes out of stock in nanosecond. And you can see in the video, which I'll insert it here, one side with mascara, other side without mascara, how lengthening it makes my lashes looks. And it is jet black. If you don't like waterproof mascara, this is it. It does not make my lashes look clumpy, it does not smudge, smear, and it does not crumble. So it is all of those good things packed in this mascara. If you don't get your hands on this, then you have another Essence I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. That is also one of my favorite. It comes in a pink bottle. You can even try that. It is under rupees 400, so it's beautiful, you guys. It's absolutely must have. Next is Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. It gives you a natural matte finish. They say it makes your makeup long lasting and patch proof. I have compared this to the Makeup Revolution one, and I can say both of them did a good job, but this is very affordable when you compare it to Makeup Revolution. And if you are a beginner and looking out for a good makeup setting spray that is going to keep your makeup budge proof for 5 hours, you can try this. It is my second bottle. I trust this over any other makeup setting spray in affordable budget, and I would highly recommend this. It does not give you that matte heavy kind of feeling. It feels absolutely lightweight, and it is fast drying. I don't like the spritzer because it gives you a very harsh spray, so I have to keep it at a distance when I want a very smooth spray on my face. Next one is another favorite product of mine, which I always talk about. It's La Mer All-in-One Tinted Plumping Lip Oil. This is in the shade Berry Eyes. Now this particular thing appears clear when you apply it, but then it acts with your body's or your skin's pH level and gets vibrant and leaves a beautiful tint. It gives you a very vibrant pink tint, and it does show up on my dark pigmented lips and looks beautiful on my brown skin. So if I want to use it for my everyday, I can just wipe the top layer, apply some lip liner. This is from Swiss Beauty. It's easily available. It also comes in single, which retails under rupees 70. I use this to line my lips, and then if I want to keep it as it is, I can, or if I want to use a lip gloss, I can use this Swiss Beauty wet lip gloss, which is another great product. Non-sticky, non-tacky, lightweight, easily available, and the shades are also very pretty. So these three things have to be my favorite when it comes to a lip combo. If you're a lip gloss kind of person and loves those juicy glass-like shine, then I have this recommendation for you. Mars Cosmetics launched their new Candylicious lip glosses that comes in 12 shades. It retails for rupees 249 only, and I think each of the shades is going to look beautiful and flattering on our Indian skin tones. If you are interested for in-depth review, you can head on to my channel. You will find various of contents. Also, I'll try and mention it here on the card section. Now the formulation is absolutely nourishing, lightweight, non-sticky, and gives you glass-like shine. You can use it as a topper because the pigmentation is very sheer. On my dark pigmented lips, almost all the 4 colors looked same, but it added a good glossiness to my lips. And also I would like to add on that some of the lip glosses does contain fine shimmer particles, which adds more shine to your lips. Each of the lip glosses are differently fragrance, and they are named after candies, which you can make an idea. So yes, if you are looking out for a good in-depth review, you can head on to my channel. Coming to the last but not the least, if you love one matte liquid lipstick, it has to be Mars Popstar Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Rock On and it looks beautiful on brown skin. And Mars has done a great job to launch these lipstick because every shade is going to suit our Indian skin tone. It's lightweight, glides easily, gives you a smoother finish, blurred effect to your lips, and also it is very long wearing. Even if you're eating anything oily, it does not come off immediately, like it leaves some stain behind. And also it does not settle in my lip lines, and it does not makes my lip go dry. One swipe and you get that even tone pigmentation, no patchiness whatsoever. So if you ever want to try one liquid lipstick that is matte but does not strip the moisture out of your lips, you can try the Mars Popstar lipstick. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.